Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best shaved ice attachment is probably one of the most exciting additions to your kitchen arsenal, especially if you're a fan of refreshing, icy treats during hot summer days or anytime you crave a cool dessert. Imagine transforming your stand mixer into a professional-grade shaved ice machine, capable of producing fluffy, snow-like ice perfect for crafting authentic snow cones, tropical shaved ice creations, or even sophisticated frozen cocktails right in your own home. This attachment opens up a world of flavor possibilities, allowing you to experiment with different syrups, fruits, and toppings to create personalized frozen delights that will impress your family and friends. Number 5. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A Snow Cone Machine. Bring the fun of shaved ice right into your home with this electric machine. It's perfect for creating all sorts of frozen treats, from margaritas to iced coffee. You can use regular ice cubes, bagged ice, or even make your own ice blocks with the included molds. This makes it incredibly flexible for any recipe. The machine features a simple 3-piece design for easy assembly and convenient storage when not in use. It's ready to go whenever you are. This high-quality machine isn't just for shaved ice or snow cones. Give your blender a rest and discover new ways to enhance your favorite cocktails and drinks. Operating it is a breeze with a standard electrical plug-in. Plus, it comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty for your peace of mind. Add a splash of flavor to almost anything. Explore a wide variety of syrup options to customize your creations, making it more than just a shaved ice maker. What we like? This machine offers great flexibility in the type of ice you can use, from cubes to homemade blocks. If you're looking for a reliable unit with a warranty for peace of mind, this is a solid choice. What people say. It indeed makes freshly fallen snow consistency shaved ice. It makes soft fluffy snow. Simple operating machines and gives uniform and fine shaved ice to enjoy varieties of desserts. Number 4. MANBA Ice Shaver and Snow Cone Machine. Introducing the MANBA Ice Shaver and Snow Cone Machine, your ultimate companion for refreshing treats. It effortlessly crushes ice into fluffy snow, perfect for all your favorite drinks. This package includes a convenient ice cube mold, allowing you to freeze 15 perfectly sized ice blocks. Both crushed ice and ice blocks are readily available for your slushies and margaritas. Crafted with high-quality 18/8 stainless steel blades, this ice crusher is built to last. They are designed to never rust and remain sharp for efficient ice shaving, ensuring long-term durability. Featuring 3 precision-cut blades, it shaves ice cubes significantly faster and more efficiently than traditional single-blade models. Operation is simple and effective. Enjoy the convenience of this portable manual hand crank design. It's easy to use, clean, carry, and store, allowing you to make shaved ice even outdoors without electricity. The included flexible silicone ice cube tray makes creating 15 perfect ice blocks a breeze. Easily release ice cubes with a simple twist or push, ideal for home, office, or parties. What we like? Featuring durable stainless steel blades that won't rust and a manual crank for outdoor use, this ice shaver is perfect for anyone who enjoys making frozen treats anywhere, anytime. If you value longevity and portability, this is the one for you. What people say. This ice shaver efficiently shaves ice in perfect soft fluffy texture. Best of all, it's mechanical, no electricity need, which also means it is quiet. It's like snow. Like real snow. And it's easy to use and sturdy. This is a really fun and safe way for littles to help make a cool, summer treat. Children can easily shave the ice. No electricity needed, so it can be taken on camping trips, to the lake, etc. Number 3. Nostalgia Kool-Aid Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. Get ready for endless fun with this amazing machine. It's perfect for parties or anytime you need a cool treat, making up to 20 delicious snow cones at once. You can easily create your favorite flavors using this device. It's compatible with all Kool-Aid and Nostalgia snow cone kits for endless flavor possibilities. Experience the magic of perfectly shaved ice. Its sharp stainless steel blades quickly turn ice cubes into fluffy, snow-like goodness. See the icy creations come to life. The clear chamber allows you to watch the ice pile up from any angle, making the process exciting. Easily prepare your treats with the handy side shelf. It's the perfect spot to hold your snow cones while you add your favorite syrups. Enjoy peace of mind with its built-in safety switch. This feature ensures the shaving mechanism operates safely, keeping hands protected. This compact unit fits perfectly on your countertop or a side table. It's ideal for serving cool treats anywhere you desire. What we like. With its retro charm and ability to make up to 20 snow cones, this machine is ideal for parties and gatherings. If you love hosting and want a fun, safe, and visually appealing way to serve icy treats, this is a fantastic option. What people say. It worked wonders. We served at least 20 large snow cones in the same number of minutes. That includes the time it took each kid to decide on which flavors they wanted. Operation is easy, you only have to turn the plastic cover, kind of like some blenders I've seen that won't operate without the cover on, so it turns it into a safety feature at the same time. This thing is a tank. I use it almost every day, it's super easy to use, the ice is very consistent and it's just a cute look. Number 2. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit S900A. Create fluffy shaved ice right in your kitchen with this electric machine. It's perfect for making margaritas, slushies, iced coffee, and any frozen treat you can imagine. Set up your own frozen dessert bar at home. This countertop machine is designed for easy use and cleaning, and it's portable for convenient storage. This kit includes the machine, 3 delicious syrup flavors, cherry, grape, and blue raspberry, along with cups, straws, pourers, and ice molds to get the party started. Each syrup bottle can make about 8 6-ounce snow cones. With the included supplies, you can create up to 24 flavored snow cones, perfect for sharing. It operates with a standard plug and stores easily. Plus, the syrups are shelf-stable, nut-free, and free from common allergens like soy, wheat, dairy, and eggs. Beyond shaved ice, use these syrups to add a twist to cocktails, sodas, coffee, and more. It's a great value for flavoring a variety of drinks and desserts. What we like. This option comes with everything you need to get started, including syrups and cups, and boasts allergy-friendly formulations. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one solution for delicious and safe snow cones, especially for those with dietary concerns, this kit is a winner. What people say. When you use the molds, it comes out soft and fluffy, absolutely perfect, and grinds very smoothly. This machine is durable and works flawlessly. It's easy to use and provides a lot of fun, especially for kids. Number 1. Cuisinart Snow Cone Machine SEM 10P1. Enjoy perfectly shaved ice for snow cones, slushies, and frozen drinks. This machine makes it easy to create your favorite icy beverages at home. It's incredibly easy to use with regular ice cubes and your favorite syrups or juices. Just flip a switch and watch it create fluffy shaved ice in seconds. Featuring a professional motor and blade, it also includes a safety interlock mechanism. The pull-out tray and cone holders make serving and storage a breeze. In less than a minute, it can produce enough shaved ice for 4 to 5 cones. It's perfect for parties or a quick cool-down treat. This comes with both reusable plastic cones and disposable paper cones, so you're ready to start making treats right away. Plus, it's BPA-free for your peace of mind. Enjoy your new appliance with confidence, thanks to a limited 3-year motor warranty. Refer to the manual for any questions. What we like. Boasting a professional motor and blade mechanism for superior performance, this maker is excellent for quickly creating a variety of frozen drinks. If you prioritize speed, quality, and a long motor warranty for frequent use, this is the smart choice. What people say. I like the design because of the ice depositing until an enclosed container. There wasn't a big mess to clean up due to the melted ice or just in general missing the container. The best part is this machine is the lever you apply for pressure on the ice to shaves it appropriately and efficiently, which is very important to make the ice, otherwise it just hangs in the chute and won't grind. Makes great fluffy ice. It has a safety feature that when you open the ice feeder, machine automatically stops even when switch is turned on. It has a big shaved ice reservoir so you don't have to frequently open and empty it. It's a time saver. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.